Hi friends, welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in today to watch this latest video of mine about painting landscapes, and it is for my sketchbook series 30 ways to fill a sketchbook. Today I was very lucky and I got to go out and see lots of different landscapes and take some pictures and videos which have been a wonderful inspiration for the sketchbook page I'm working on. I would love to develop this into a painting once I'm finished my 30 ways to fill a sketchbook series. But for now, I started off with my inspiration, and it's always really great, and I really do encourage people to try and get their own primary inspiration, where something they see or somewhere they go that inspires them, rather than looking at pictures of something of someone else's, which is still fine and a perfectly good way to get inspiration. But if you can, try and get your own inspiration from your own environment. But I know very well that that's not always possible, so work your best with what you've got. And as you can see with the painting, I've taken a lot of very simplified painting techniques to create the painting, using different types of brushes. And the thing to remind myself, and I'm guessing that some people out there may have to do the same thing too, is to remind yourself not to get caught up in the details of the landscape, and to remember that this is a piece of art and you're trying to make an expression of your experience of your landscape, or an expression of something that you experienced in some way or another. And that can be very difficult to remember at times, because you look at your source of inspiration and you see all these details and you want to paint them in, but you have to kind of go, wait a minute, and just focus on creating an expression, and the landscape is a part of that. But the main thing is that you're creating a landscape that's quite abstract in a way, but also has some kind of real elements within the painting. But it is actually more simple than I've made it sound. Definitely, it certainly is. Just keep it simple and go with what you see without going too much into the detail, the finite detail, unless you're looking to create that kind of painting. If anyone has any questions or queries about this, or is struggling or challenged in any way while painting their landscapes, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer questions or help in any way I can. Other than that, I would love to hear about the landscapes that you're painting yourself. Where are they and what kind of areas are they? I'd love to hear about them, because it's always really interesting to see and hear about different parts that people love to paint. But that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this painting, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and to share your video if you've got friends and family who might like it. But that's all for now. Happy being creative. Bye. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.